వెల్కమ్ టు కాంపిటేటివ్ ఎగ్జామ్స్ కార్నర్. ఏబిపిఎస్సి గ్రూప్ 2 మెయిన్స్కి సంబంధించి మనకు 17 డేస్గా నేను మీకు కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ని అందిస్తూ వస్తున్నాను. ఇది 18th డే. సో ఈరోజు కూడా మనకు కొన్ని ఇంపార్టెంట్ బిట్స్ మనం చూద్దాం. సో వాట్ వాజ్ ద అవుట్కమ్ ఆఫ్ ద కర్ణాటిక్ వార్స్? కర్ణాటిక్ వార్స్ యొక్క అవుట్కమ్ ఏంటి అంటే, ద ఇంగ్లీష్ ఎమర్జ్డ్ సక్సెస్ఫుల్లీ అగైన్స్ట్ ద ఫ్రెంచ్, హ్యావింగ్ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్డ్ బై 1761 their influence firmly at Arcot at the court of Nizam. It is the right answer. Next question. The first Congress ministry in Madras presidency was formed with C. Rajagopalachari as the premier and who was elected as a speaker. So answer Bulusu Sambamurthy. Next question. The Socialist Party within the Congress was founded in 1934. Name one prominent Andhra leader of the Socialist Party. Acharya Ranga. 87th question. Who was the revenue minister in the ministry headed by C. Rajagopalachari, who had special interest in the welfare of peasants and for which he had to face hurdles from his own party? Tanguturi Prakasham. 88th question. When was the Temple Entry Authorization and Indemnity Bill introduced in Madras Legislative Assembly? 4th August 1939. 89th question. When did the meeting of Andhra and Rayalaseema leaders to resolve the formation of Andhra state took place at Sribag, the residence of కాశీనాథుని నాగేశ్వరరావు? సో దీనికి రైట్ ఆన్సర్ November 16th, 1937. Next question. What was the name of the Telugu journal run by the Congress Socialist Party in 1934? Answer Navashakti. Next. Where was the first conference of the Andhra Socialist Party held in February 24 to 26, 1948 under the chairmanship of Nannapaneni Venkatrao? Answer Gudivada. Next question. Praja Socialist Party was formed in December 1951 out of the persons given below. Who was its active leader? So answer Tanguturi Prakasham. Next, KLP Krishikar Party 1955 was constituent of Congress front in the mid-term polls of 1951 and 1955. Who was KLP's leader then? Answer NG Ranga. 94th question. The Socialist Party and Praja Socialist Party merged with which party in 1977? Answer Janata Party. 95th question. Which of the work was largely responsible for sowing seeds of socialism in Andhra youth? So Groki's mother translated into Telugu by K. Lingaraju under the title Amma, published in 1934. Next. The performing art of Burrakatha was made popular art by Sheikh Nazar. Sheikh Nazar. Next, 97th question to them. Name the Andhra person who worked for the Ghadar party in America during the 1912 to 15. Answer Dasari Chenchayya. 98th question. The dominant tribal group in Ramappa region during Alluri Sitaramaraju's Manyam rebellion was Koyas. 99th question. What was the type of cultivation practiced by tribals at the time of Rampa rebellion? Answer Podu cultivation. 100th question. Who ordered the killing of Alluri Sitaramaraju? Answer Major Godal. Major Godal. 101st question. Out of the below, which woman was active in Srikakulam Girijan movement? Answer Panchadi Nirmala. 102 question. What is the name of a special women's movement started by దూబగుంట రోసమ్మ. ఆన్సర్ యాంటీ-అరాక్ మూమెంట్. Next question. With an eye on social liberation of the schools of the oppressed people who opened night schools in Dalit colonies of Krishna district. Answer Ghora. ఘోరా అంటే గోపరాజు రామచంద్రరావు. నెక్స్ట్ నాట్ ఫోర్త్ క్వశ్చన్. హూ వాజ్ ద ఫౌండర్ ఆఫ్ బీసీటీ భగవతుల చారిటబుల్ ట్రస్ట్ ఇన్ విశాఖపట్నం డిస్ట్రిక్ట్? సో దీనికి రైట్ ఆన్సర్ బివి పరమేశ్వరరావు. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఈనాడు డైలీ విచ్ created major changes in journalism was started in which year? Answer 1975. Next question. Who was the famous Telugu journalist in whose name a street exists in Pakistan, Karachi? Answer Kotam Raju Punnaya. సో ఇవి ఈరోజుకి సంబంధించిన ముఖ్యమైన బిట్స్ అండి. అండ్ మరికొన్ని బిట్స్తో మళ్ళీ కలుద్దాం. థ్యాంక్ యూ. జై హింద్.